Hi, I want to talk to you about something really important today. We're finding that this winter season, flu is circulating much earlier than would normally be expected, and therefore we can expect a long flu season with potentially high rates of infection. Flu can be a really serious illness and can be life-threatening for those with vulnerabilities, pregnant women, babies and young children, and older people. And being vaccinated is the single most effective thing we can do to protect ourselves, protect our loved ones, protect our patients, and support organisational resilience as we enter into this what is expected to be an extremely busy winter season. Eligible members of the population, those aged over 50, pregnant women and other people with vulnerabilities will be eligible for the flu vaccination this winter. So please do take us up on the offer. There is a lot of information available on the University Health Board website, which also covers information on other winter respiratory viruses such as COVID. Stay well this winter. Thank you.